Hey everybody, this is Cora. Thanks for dropping in. I have in front of me a Jujube in collaboration with Tokidoki. This print is in the Toki Retreat. This bag in particular is the Dr. BFF, one of my favorite bags from Jujube. So I have this all packed up for when we went to Kauai. I used it on the plane as my personal item or my carry-on. And so let's go ahead and get right into it. So here it is in the Toki Retreat. Toki Retreat released on January 11, 2022. And I really love the color combination, the color palette of this print. So the Dr. BFF in itself is a really large bag, really wide bag as well. But it does fit a lot. This bag I did use on the plane, and let's go ahead and go over it. As you can see, there's two water bottle pockets. So I did have this filled with my water bottle. And then on the other side, I had my daughter's water bottle. So this one is a 12 ounce and I believe this one's an 18 ounce. They were able to fit in there. I was also able to fit in the past a 24 ounce water bottle in here. And then around, might as well go look around it. Here in the back, I have my backpack straps on it, which the Dr. BFF comes with. A messenger strap. I have the woven strap that came out on the during the release as well. And the Dr. BFF does come with its own messenger strap, which I'll go ahead and show later. My hand sanitizer holder. And in here I have my daughter's iPad for the flight. And this one has a case on it, which is a thick case, but not as thick as other ones I've seen it. So this is actually pretty slim in comparison to what I've seen in the past. And it does fit horizontally, but it is kind of a tight fit, so sometimes I'll put it in vertically, which fits as well, obviously. And here in the back, there are two slots here. The one closest to the bag itself is a slip pocket, which you're able to fit, as you can see, as you saw earlier, my iPad. And then this one here, which I love this feature, and this is a slip area where it opens at the end to go ahead and put that on top of your rolling luggage, which I've used many times. I'll go ahead and show a picture of that on the screen of my Dr. BFF on top of my luggage, which is really helpful because this bag can get pretty heavy. Then it has two grab handles. And here in the front, there is go ahead and show that. There is a zip pocket in the upmost front. And here I have my wipes, well, my Clark's wipes, which I use once I get on the plane. I go ahead and wipe everything down because, you know, COVID times. I'll go ahead and wipe everything down, that all the surfaces that my daughter I know will touch. And then I have my face mask. And then there's really nothing else in there. But this is pretty roomy. I wouldn't put anything too bulky in here just because then it'll just bulge out a bit. So I just put in things that are a bit slim. And then here is, just wanted to show this. This is cute. This is Water Lily. And that comes with that cute little unicorn there. And I got this from Rose Pedal Stitchery. It's really cute. And then also this bag tag here, which is a lotus. And here, it's my little luggage tag. There is a pocket in here, which would be called the mommy pocket, but this bag is mostly for my daughter. Just to let you know, I am an overpacker, and this was packed up for my 20-month-old. This was packed up mostly for her. And inside, I have her sunglasses. A little thing of her lotion. And I do love wipes, so I do have a pacifier wipe, which she doesn't use pacifiers, but I do have that in there to wipe like down her utensils or whatnot. Some Kleenex and her hand sanitizer wipes. And then in here you'll see there is a zippered pocket there. And inside here I just have a couple trash bags. And then here is another pocket on the panel. And then there's two mesh pockets, as you can see in there. Here there is a key fob, and I just connect a small set piece, and this is the water chromatics. And I love how this color of the water goes along with the Toki Retreat. I just think it looks so pretty. And it really pops out once you have it inside, because there's like, it's a mauve color lining inside in the Toki Retreat bags. And inside here I just have my daughter's hairbrush, some little hair accessories. Here there is a tech pocket which is lined, and the lining is different on this one. This one has the mauve colored lining. And if you look at the zipper pulls, this is rose gold colored zipper pulls. There's a lotus on one side, and there is a Tokidoki Jujube logo on the other. I don't have anything on this side. So inside here, the Dr. BFF is a really structured bag. So on top, there are the metal bars here, which I like in particular. Just it kind of helps me close it. And it opens it up nice and wide. Big wide mouth for the Dr. BFF. And in here I just have my daughter's blankie, which I definitely need that on the plane, easy access to. And this bag, I will go ahead and show a picture up on the screen. This bag is able to fit on an airplane. I've actually taken this on a few trips. I've taken the Dr. BFF on a few trips, domestic and international, and they do fit underneath the seat in front of your seat. It fits there just straight in. I'll go ahead and show the picture up there. And you're able to just kind of slide it out and open it up and kind of access to it. But what I like to do is, once I get on the plane, I just go ahead and take out everything that I'll want, that I know I'm gonna need, such as like her water, her snacks, and some wipes, and put it into the pockets of the seat in front of me. And I will just go ahead and put this backpack underneath the seat in front of me, and then if I do need anything else, I'll just grab it then. But I haven't had to really access it during the plane ride. So here's my daughter's jacket. And then in here, go ahead and see that. It's a nice big wide open space. Then I'll just go ahead and take out things in here. And the colors I used in here, if you can see, is the water, lilac, and I do have this one right here, which is the blush. And in here I have my daughter's coloring books and some crayons and markers in here, and some window stickers to kind of help entertain her while we're on the plane ride. And that's how it looks on the Toki Retreat. Definitely looks different from the mauve that's on the lining, but I think that looks pretty. Then I have here a Be Quick in water. So as a comparison, I have a large set piece in blush and a Be Quick in water. Just a quick comparison of this two. And in here I have my diapers. Oh, and the tags here I got also from Pedal Stitchery. And in here I have three size 3 diapers, ointment, little disposable pad, and then I have my wipe pouch case in here. I'm able to fit more diapers. I think I'm able to fit like 5 without it getting too crazy bulgy full. But just as a quick access, I only needed 3 in there. And then in here, I have my little travel case. I got this from the Happi Hippo. And this one, I asked her to make for me so I can put my passports and all our papers and travel itinerary in here, which has been really helpful to have everything all in one place. And then if you look inside, here in the middle, I have my first aid kit. Again, this is from the Happi Hippo. I love this first aid kit. I have everything that I would need and want in this small little case. Oh, I love it. I did have Corinne from the Happi Hippo make me a larger one, which I still need to put together. And then here on the side here, I have my little snack bag in the medium set piece. I was able to fit a few pouches and a few dry snacks in here if I'm unable to bring some perishable snacks. And then have this one right here, and this is in the medium set piece, and this is in the water again, and these are my daughter's utensils. And here, I actually love carrying my daughter's utensils in this medium set piece. It's been really helpful. When you go to a restaurant, I'll just kind of grab it and go and bring it down with me. I'll just put like a couple wipes in here, or my Clorox wipes. I have her bib and this little suction container plate thing. Love it. And inside have her fork and spoon utensils. And then let's go ahead and show how the lilac looks up against here. And it looks it kind of just blends in there, huh? In comparison to the blush. Then I have one more thing in here. Oh, and then this one's a medium set piece again, and this is in the Toki Retreat. And these are her extra clothes. And since she's so little, I do have a pair of pants, a long sleeve, and a pair of socks in here. And then there is a zipper back there, and I have just a wet bag, which is a pretty large wet bag. So just looking inside the bag, just go over what the organization little sleeves are in here. There is a large slip pocket here, one pocket in here, another one here, and I have 2 back here and 1 zipper pocket, which has worked out really well for me. Love the organization on this. And just kind of a heads up, when I try to go on the plane with this, carrying it on my back and having the water bottles on both sides, this bag is really wide, so I sometimes have trouble walking down the aisle to get to my seat. So what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and put this on my rolling carry-on with its little luggage sleeve in there, put it right on top, have it sideways, and roll it down the aisle to go ahead. It's much easier to get down the aisle that way, because I find myself catching the seats from my water bottles on the pockets. So just to remind you that this is a wide bag. So I'll go ahead and show some on the body shots of this bag of the Dr. BFF. I hope this video was really helpful for you, and thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great day and safe travels.